Drew obenembo sumimu a ayena ayese o my Ghana ye share efa ede afa ye man hu ni nyina ne se ye dan ne ma ye wo ni nyina edi de akire amaman ahodo eno enam so mo obenembo so ne dru dia na ye ntade se aduane ye die na ye ka ho nsem eno nam so e ma se dwumadie yi betumi akoyie paade a ititi ra na gina Ghana Tourism Authority fo na enne Ghana nie so mepie so na ene mom keka bo mu enam so Emma Sabusum yetumi edi Ghana month no ma yedi ni yie no won beka ho asem
Jumedie kese pa etimi course one of them test 69 at 69 Ghana Tourism Authority and organize here
test 69 at 69 na kind of brafo za no pressure o
me say nyasam getwa me see na just say yes di Ghana niane about 69 of them. Yes, in the near Ghana near over 69 of them.
Akono.
Me see nyasem ketwa. Fufu wo ho, kokonte wo ho, apapansa wo ho. Me say bibi sobolo wo ho. Me see that day it was National Theatre, one of the biggest event highriding Ghana at 69.
Okay.
It is 69 different dishes. Now one thing I very beautiful when they say you're involving the private sector.
Okay.
Say tourism is private sector driven and government sector led. And any traditional caterers association, indigenous caterers association, so tour guides association. That is it. I was say woody indigenous. Okay. Well, and the king mothers, the custodians of our customs, the custodians of our land, so traditions. One and a tias here, in terms of your heritage.